Hey everyone, I wanted to make a video about filing and where different documents go. Lanyap is, for the most part, a pretty paperless company. We try to keep everything online. If you're watching this, then you've probably got some type of access to our online file cabinet that is Google Drive. We keep some documents in CoConstruct and some documents in Google Drive. So, but everything starts in Google Drive. That's kind of where the foundation is, and then we load CoConstruct as needed with whatever documents that it needs. So I wanted to start out kind of like from the beginning. Now I'm going to use an example here that is a renovation. So we just got invited to this renovation, okay? And you can see this is a set of drawings. This is a seaming diagram for the carpet in this property, and this is a regular scope, okay? So this one's kind of easy because all three of these are for the same project, okay? That means that you should have Google Drive loaded as a companion on your operating system on your computer. So when you're in your email, you should see this little triangle here, and that's the Google Drive triangle, okay? Each document has it. See it here? Okay, that's on each one of these. So this one's easy, like I said, because they're all for the same project. So I can use this one, and it's going to do all three of these at the same time. Sometimes you get multiple projects in one email, and you've got to go through and do each document individually, okay? So this is going to allow you, just click this, go to Organize. It's going to allow you to put it right into the job that you need. Okay, it's going to be under Lanyap. This is a Brookdale project. Okay, I'm going to pick the state or town. I believe, actually, this is in Pennsylvania. It's in Philadelphia. There we go. BKD at Brandywine, that's right. This is for the AL portion. Now, if you haven't created these yet, like let's say you went to Pennsylvania and this job's not in here yet, that's no big deal. You just click this new folder, and let's do that, just pretend. It's act like this is for a different kind of property. So I need to create that folder for that project under that state. I'm in Pennsylvania, so I'm just gonna do Brandywine. Okay, I've created that folder. I'm gonna click the little check mark there. Now I've created that folder. This folder is empty. So these are the scope and drawings, right? So that's the first folder that you create. Every project has that folder. Scope and drawings, okay. Move here. Okay. All right, so now whenever you go up here to Drive, you search that project. Always search, it's the best, quickest way to get there. Brandywine will come up. Now I've got a couple of versions of this, so I'm going to do the one I just created, which is this one. Now look, here, it's all here. Here's what the scope and drawings that I just created. And there are the attachments. Looks like the third one hasn't loaded yet. Sometimes you have to refresh these to get them all in there. But moving on, the next portion of this is, so scope and drawings is definitely one of the main folders that you have within each project, okay? The next is final bid. final bid. And this is where your working bid, remember working bid and final bid are basically the same thing. Okay. Oh, yeah, I thought I would create two. So the final bid here is where your estimate is going to live. When you make a copy of your scope here, you'll make that copy, change the name to working bid, and you'll move it over here into final bid. And that's where it lives. The only thing that lives in the final bid folder is the working bid and the code break. If you don't know what that is, there's another video series where you'll learn what that is. But those are the only two things that live under final bid. Scope and drawings are going to be your original scope and drawings. And then you'll create other documents such as the trade break, the on-site scope. Most of the things that you create that will go into your virtual plan room in CoConstruct will live in here. The only other files that you need here would be possibly if you have some photos or something that you're kind of leaving here until you can load them into CoConstruct. That's fine. But where these documents live is very important. We have to keep each one of these projects clean and always sorted the same way in terms of where the files are. So keep it straight that way and you'll be just fine. The rest of the documents will all be in CoConstruct. So if you're sending a bid out if you get a bid in from a contractor or something of that nature, all that lives in CoConstruct. So thanks for watching.